Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asrudin. You can call me Rudy. This opportunity I will show how to clear your cache, how to clear your cache memory. Maybe sometime we will find the free your memory is very overhead. It's very full, like you can see 3.2 gigabyte just for the cache. I think is very overhead, yeah, because my memory all the 16 gigabyte. So you can see this is shell script how to cache your memory. Maybe I will explain. Okay, you can create a file or film clear cache. This is script how to clear your cache memory. This is about you can log in iceroute, and this about the get memory information and output information, and testing synchronize, and the first this clear cache, this line, yeah, synchronous and echo 3. This is for the your cache your memory. Okay, I think so. Maybe you can running. Okay, free min is okay. Best clear cache. Okay, this script will clear cache memory and free up your RAM. At the moment you have MBI cache, and this free. Okay, free. I think it's reduce your memory, yeah. Okay, and don't forget if you can run with a cron job. If you shut down your laptop and up again, automatic cron job, automatic job, yeah. Okay, I will show how to set up in cron job. Cron tab mini, and you can enable this line. Explain about your path, and if you laptop reboot or shut down, always enable to running the clear cache shell script. And this talking about every minute always running clear cache. If you want to guide about cron job, you can go to cron job guru website, crontab.guru. You can change every minute, every hours, every day, months, and daily. And if you change at every minute, if you change at every past hour. Okay, at every minute. This is that every minute. Home Rudy document tools and clear cache the paths. Sorry, I have to save. PWD home Rudy document tools and the clear cache. Okay, every minutes the cron to reduce your buffer or reduce your optimal your memory. Okay, I think so that's all. I will share the script in Google, in my YouTube. Okay, thank you so much for the time. That's all. See you next time.